Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. This is another deep explanation video, and I promise you this video will be a really educational one, but a really mind-blowing one, yes, because you will get this insight what you need to own the market. And before I'm gonna start, I have to tell you something, and that is because I get so many questions from my subscribers and also via emails who are asking me and who are telling me something about some YouTubers. And I have to say, they are YouTubers, yes, who are pretending to be trader, but they are not, because they are doing nothing else than putting in the intro or in the outro the video where they try to explain you how to join with their affiliate link, yes. And I can tell you, they are not trader. I'm a pro trader. I'm a European pro trader. You see, on weekends I have not even the OTC market, yes. But I'm a European pro trader, and I can tell you, if they would be trader, they would not do this kind of stuff, because that what you earn with affiliate, there are peanuts in comparison with trading. That means you can see this. I'm always in the leaderboard. Yes, those traders are not in the leaderboard. They are putting an intro on their videos. They are publishing videos only to get you as affiliate, the affiliate commission. They want you to join with their affiliate link. They are making this kind of videos only, and I explain you how to join IQ option, for example, with the affiliate link. They use intro in the intro or in the outro. There is no difference, and I tell you, no real trader is doing this kind of stuff. Yes, that are only affiliate marketers. Yes, affiliate marketers. They want you only to get with the affiliate link, and they are not even traders. Yes, that are gamblers. I would call that are gamblers, because you don't see them in the leaderboard. You don't see them. They do things like compounding. Yes, trading with compounding trades. Yes, and I can tell you, no trader with a little bit brain, yes, and who knows how to trade would do this one. And then they are offering also some kind of college or whatever, yes, where they try to tell you that you will learn trading in 1 week, yes. That is such a nonsense, yes, that I think I have the responsibility to warn you about such kind of scammers. Don't believe those kind of YouTubers, yes, because they are telling you only nonsense, yes. They are only there to scam you, and I cannot help you if you are falling in their trap, yes, but I have the responsibility as as a YouTuber to provide you and to prevent you and to tell you this, yes, that you don't have to fall in their trap, yes, and don't be scammed, yes, because that is what I have created my channel 2 years ago, yes, when I have started it, this YouTube channel, because I was asking myself, how can I prevent other traders to be scammed? Yes, and the only way which I understood was I have to educate them. Yes, I have to teach you how to fish the fish. Yes, how fishing, yes, and not to give them fish, yes, because all the YouTuber around in this kind of really bad financial industry, yes, you are scammers, mostly are scammers. There are only a few, and I not even know one name, yes, of one who do honest work like I'm doing, yes. And I tell you, I'm doing this for passion, and you know this, yes. And that's the reason why I'm trying to educate as much as possible with my ebooks, with my video packs, with my BOTT mentorship program, yes, and that is what this is about. And those one who are following my channel, you are the lucky ones, yes, you are really the lucky ones, those ones who have the opportunity to learn how to trade properly, yes, because I'm teaching you all the concepts, everything what you should know. And those one who are thinking, really thinking that what I'm teaching is too much, what I have explained in my ebook is too much, then I can only say search some other profession. Yes, because also if you have to, if you do any kind of other profession, you have to learn something. Yes, and I'm telling you, you have the possibility. Each of you has the possibility to become a successful, profitable trader. I'm demonstrating this every week when I release my BOTT mentorship program students. Yes, they are successful, profitable, consistently profitable, yes, and they are blessing me. All my students are blessing me, yes. I get so many emails from them. They are blessing me, they are blessing my family. I don't know what I have to do with all these blessings, but anyway, I'm doing this with passion, yes, and you know this, and that's the reason. The only problem what I have at the moment is I have a lot of copyright infringements, yes, and I have to go behind this, and that's the only reason why I cannot provide you with more educational videos. Yes, my time is limited. I have the BOTT mentorship program. I'm working on new projects. I have the copyright infringements. Users who are using my educational material to scam other people, those one who are selling my educational. I have a lot of international lawyers who are behind this. Yes, I have to provide them evidences and all those kind of stuff. That is stealing me and wasting my time. Yes, I'm really angry about this. Then I get also emails from users who want, after they have burned a lot of money, they want my ebooks and those kind of things for free. I have given all my stuff for free. Yes, 1 year ago my ebook was for free for everybody. The first editions were all free. Nobody cared about this. Yes, nobody was caring about this. Yes, and now they are asking me, after they are telling me that they got scammed, after they are telling me that they have burnt their money. Yes, they have no face and asking me to give them the ebook or something like this for free. I can tell you something. I'm the last one. I have a really good karma. Yes, you know what karma is? Karma is when you're doing good things and then the universe will give you back good things. Yes, and I can say to myself, I have a really good karma. But those people who are asking me this, yes, who are not willing to pay the money for the ebook, yes, for the video packs, or for even for the BOTT mentorship program, yes, I can tell you, you have to search another profession. This is that what I'm asking for you, yes, that what I'm asking you is a life-changing opportunity, yes. The money what you are spending for my ebook is a life-changing opportunity for you to learn how to trade. And if you are not willing to do this, if you are not willing to get this low amount, because I'm not asking you money for a new car, or I'm not asking you money for a new house or something like this, yes, that are really peanuts, yes, that are really peanuts. And if you are not able to spend that money for your life-changing opportunity to learn how to trade, then I can only say, waste your money on indicators, waste your money on scammers, yes, and please don't contact me, yes, because that makes me really angry when I get such kind of emails, because that is really that disrespect what I do not deserve after all that what I have done for all you all, yes. And I'm doing this because I love to do this, yes. I don't expect anything in exchange. I don't expect anything, yes. That is what karma is about. You do things without any kind of expectation, yes, without any kind of willing to have a reward for this, yes. I'm doing this because I'm feeling to do this, because that was my motivation so many years ago when I have started this YouTube channel. I want to educate those traders who got scammed, that they will be pretended. And when I read that they are spending money on indicators, they are giving money to account manager, and after they have lost so much money, or they are trading and watching YouTube videos of scammers, yes, and they are losing money there, and then they are telling me that they want from me something for free, then I feel really then I get a little bit angry, because I'm thinking, what the what the beep are those people doing, yes, and that makes me angry. Don't ask me for anything after you tell me such kind of story. After all, I have to say that I have given away not only the BOTT Price Action Bible, the BOTT Price Action Guide, also the BOTT Mentorship Program, and also the self-study module. I have given them away for free. That means I have taken students for free. I have given them the book for free. Yes, those people has abused in general my good willing. That means that I have given them because they have told me some story. I could not understand what they have. I give them all this for free, yes, and then they abused my good willing, yes, and that's the reason why I have stopped doing this, yes, because I cannot prove what they are telling me, those people, and I have to say this, yes, I cannot do more than this. I'm the only one, yes, I'm the only one till now, yes, in this financial industry who is trying to give his best work, yes, who is trying to educate as best as possible, yes, and I'm the last one who deserves something like this. But I tell you, my karma is nice, yes, and I can only say that everybody gets that what he deserves, yes, and those scammer will get what they deserve also for sure too, yes, and in this case, try to change your attitude, try to change your how you handle those things, yes. Try to pay something in your karma account, yes. Do good things instead of trying to scam people and asking others to help you. Because you have to understand, the only one who can help yourself is you, yes. And why should I giving you something for free, yes, after I have seen so many things which are doing, some people are doing with my educational stuff? Can you tell me this? I don't know. I'm trying to give you all the education for free on my YouTube channel, yes. I'm giving you already so much, and I have to waste my time with such kind of things, yes. Please stop doing this, yes. If you want to join the BOTT Mentorship Program, you have the possibility. I can tell you, when I was studying this kind of stuff with trading, and I would have somebody like me, yes, who was would give this kind of stuff, I would be the first who bought the ebook, who bought the video pack, and also to try to get into the BOTT mentorship program. But when I started, there was nobody, and I can tell you something. My educational stuff, my ebooks, yes, it's 2 years now that I have published my ebooks. Yes, these ebooks are the best stuff out there. Yes, there is no other stuff like that what I have done in my ebooks, and I will talk about this in a few minutes again. Yes, and that is what I want to tell you, because I want that all of you know this. Yes, because it's making me a little bit sad when I read those kind of emails, and I get so much such kind of messages also as comments. That makes me really angry, because I'm thinking, what are you doing this for? Who are you doing this? Yes, but I know there is a minority, those one who are really understanding that what I'm doing, and for you, I'm doing this kind of stuff. Yes, for my BOTT mentorship program students. Yes, for my subscribers, and obviously for those one in my Facebook group. Yes, I'm working for you here. Yes, I'm doing this stuff for you. For the other ones, they can tell me whatever they want to tell me. Yes, they can believe what they want to believe. Yes, but at the end, that is another story. Okay, now we are going to start, because that was important that you know this. Yes, don't forget, be open with your eyes. Yes, people who are trying to get you as affiliate commission on you are not interested that you are doing money. That is the reason why they do intros and they do outros in their videos. On every video, they are doing also videos with 2 trades. Yes, with 2 trades, only to do the intro into it, yes, to get your affiliate commission. And those one who are getting your affiliate commission, you have to understand, I have done already 960 videos, and you never heard me that I told you to join any kind of affiliate. I'm telling also the people that they do not have to get into my affiliate, because those one who are following my channel, yes, are those one who are not losing money. Yes, that are peanuts. Yes, because you will not lose money, because I'm teaching you the right things. Those one who wants you as affiliate are teaching you only nonsense, because they earn only on your losses. They will not earn money on your wins. in the money. So you understand this? That is common sense. And I want that you open your eyes and that you have common sense, because you need also common sense when we are talking about trading. Yes? On trading you need common sense, because some things are so logical, and I'm always asking myself why some traders are not able to do this. Yes, because they have no common sense, because they are so desperate. They are such kind in this dreamy world, because the YouTuber are doing this kind of stuff. Yes, they're doing compounding trades. Yes, no one with brain would do compounding trades. Yes, that is not the way you do have to do this. That is only to wake up dreams in you, that you get trapped from the scamming techniques. Okay, so. But I have talked a lot about this. Yes, now we are going to start here. That was you see, we have the Friday evening here. That is the last candle which was happened on the Friday evening, because you know, I'm a European trader and I cannot trade on weekend on the OTC market. I'm showing you the last candle of the Friday evening, and you see what this is. This is an exhaustion candle. This exhaustion candle, what does this candle tell you? That the next trade what you should do would be a put. Why would you put? Because after the exhaustion candle you can expect a retracement, and that is no magic. That is what I have explained in my ebook, in the video packs, and also in the BOTT mentorship program, which I'm sure telling my students over and over again. After this candle you can expect that the next candle will be a weak bearish a doji, or a weak bullish one, and so you do a put above the closing price of the previous candle. Yes, and that would be a sure shot in this case. Okay, that is what you should do, and this candle will retrace back at least to the 100 EMA, because that is the next key level. That is a retracement back to key level, and I can tell you, and after this price will most probably continue to going up. That is nothing, that is no magic, that is price action at its best. Those things which I'm teaching you over and over and over again. So now we are going to start, but before I'm going to start and to teach you this kind of concepts more in detail, yes, I will have to show you this kind of life-changing ebooks, because I can only stand behind this kind of stuff, because this ebooks, my customer of my ebooks, yes, the BOTT price action guide, and especially of the BOTT price action Bible, they are sending me every day emails, and they are so happy that they have purchased this kind of BOTT price action Bible, because that is the best, how can I tell you this, the best ratio between money and knowledge. Yes, if you are not willing to invest at least this money for this kind of BOTT price action Bible, yes, and you have to purchase this. Why? Because only then you appreciate this work. Yes, that are 270 pages of knowledge. 270 pages of knowledge. You don't need to search any kind of knowledge. Everything is brought to you by hand. I got a student who told me, Benjamin, you know, it's difficult to find new knowledge. Yes, when I'm searching new knowledge, I have to watch so many stupid videos. I have to watch so many blogs. I have to read so many books. There is no more knowledge. I have to invest so much time to get a little bit new knowledge. You get everything in one ebook. Yes, everything on one ebook. Every concept, everything explained. Criteria, pattern psychology, support and resistance, entry point, how to trade, what you should avoid. Everything is brought to you on a silver spoon. Yes, and if you are not buying this ebook, you are doing a big mistake. You are losing money because you don't have the knowledge. You can try to trade with indicator, crossing of the EMAs and whatever you want to do, yes, stochastic or parabolic SAR. No, that is not the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail is that what I have brought you in the BOTT price action Bible. Yes, this is not for fun white, that is white because you know Holy Grail, white Bible. Yes, that is what this is about. Look at this. Here is explained everything, and people are using this kind of content to scam other people because that content is trustworthy, that is reliable, and that is the important thing. 1 second, I have to do something here. Okay, sorry, I had to get a package. Yes, I got today a package. So, okay, again, this kind of ebook is so trustworthy that people are using it to scam people, to get followers, to get to subscribers. Yes, only by providing my educational stuff. Yes, and I can tell you only that ebook is the best investment what you could do. Yes, and I stand behind this ebook. Yes, and I can tell you that you have to get this. Yes, because that will bring your trading to the next level. Yes, 270 pages. Those one who are studying this, yes, understand everything. In conjunction with the BOTT price action Bible, if you want the whole package, yes, if you want to become really a successful, profitable trader, I can only tell you, and you don't have the time to join the BOTT mentorship program, or you got rejected from the BOTT mentorship program, and then you can get in conjunction to the BOTT price action Bible, the BOTT mentorship program self-study modules, the video pack 1, yes, in conjunction with the ebook are really a gold mine. Yes, you will understand exactly how you have to trade. That is really magic. Yes, the people who bought the video pack 1, which is for the beginner, bought also the video pack 2, 3 and 4, because the video pack 2 is for the moderate one, video pack 3 is for the advanced one, and video pack 4 is for those one which are near the pro. Those kind of video packs are telling you exactly what you have to do, the right way to trade and to become consistently profitable, yes, without joining the BOTT mentorship program. Those one who needs me and who has the opportunity to get educated by me, yes, they can join the BOTT mentorship program, the pro plan, the 4-week crash course. It's a crash course. I will make you, with your help, as to a successful, consistently profitable full-time or part-time trader. And I'm the only one, yes, I'm the only one because I'm a full-time trader. You find me on the leaderboard. If you search me, you'll find me on the leaderboard, yes, and I'm the one who has done this kind of amazing ebooks, which nobody else has done till this time, and nobody else could do this because this is based on my experience. And when you get, and that is really an opportunity, and a lot of you are missing this opportunity, yes, that you can be educated by me, yes, that is an opportunity, and if you are wasting this is your fault, yes. I will not do this forever. If you want to join the BOTT mentorship program, you can do this, still doing this now, yes, because I will do this till now, because I'm working on the BOTT mentors, yes, and how to do this, all this kind of stuff, and that will take some time. I'm doing this kind, and if you want to get into the BOTT mentorship program, you only thing what you have to do is sending me an email, an empty email to my email address, boturbotrader@gmail.com, with the subject BOTT mentorship program. I have done more than 200 students already successful, profitable, yes, and every week they are coming more to this kind of who join this club of the consistently profitable full-time trader. And if you miss this opportunity, I cannot help you. I have told you this, that is the same story like I have done 1 year ago when I have given away my ebook for free, yes. Nobody wants to hear this, and then after you are crying, yes. But please don't cry me when I'm not doing this kind of mentoring anymore. So try to get into this, try to get through the application process, and take this opportunity. It's trading is like the life, yes. And you have to get the reversal pattern in your life, yes, to change the downtrend into an uptrend, yes. So easy it is, yes. And if you miss this reversal pattern. There will happen surely another reversal pattern, because in life there will be a lot of reversal patterns, yes, but you have to take this opportunity, and I try to get this kind of example for you that you understand this, because you are a trader, you want to be a profitable, successful, profitable full-time trader, yes, and so I'm talking to you with this metaphor, yes. If you are in a downtrend, and most of you are in this kind of downtrend because you are trying to learn how to trade but you are losing money, then you have to take this reversal pattern. And I can tell you, my mentoring, this BOTT mentorship program, Pro Plan 4-week crash course, is this reversal pattern. And when you miss this reversal pattern, then obviously the downtrend will do a continuation, yes, and the uptrend will maybe come up later, and mostly it's too late then, yes. Don't cry then when I'm not doing this anymore. All of you got the possibility, yes. You have only to send me this email and then go to the application process. And those one who has taken this opportunity, that are those one which I can say, yes, you have done the right decision. The other ones, yeah, you will cry at the end. That is always, and then it's mostly too late. Okay. That was this one. Important here is that the BOTT mentorship program has no fixed cost. That cost of the BOTT mentorship program depends from two factors. The first factor is when you start your application process, yes, and the second factor is how you get through the application process. Earlier you start with the application process, earlier you send me the email with the empty email with the BOTT mentorship program subject to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. Less you have to pay, better you get through the application process, less you have to pay. So easy it is, yes, and that is all what I can say to you. So then the other stuff is the difference between the BOTT price action guide and the BOTT price action bible is that the BOTT price action guide is included in the BOTT price action bible. This ebook is included in this kind of BOTT price action bible, yes, so you do not need both, yes, you need only the BOTT price action bible, and the BOTT price action bible contains explanation and illustration, so you don't need to watch the videos if you have the BOTT price action bible. But if you have the BOTT price action guide, you need to watch the videos, because we have here only illustrations and you don't understand what the topic is about when you don't watch the videos. So, and the conjunction between the BOTT price action bible and the BOTT video pack is dope. It's magic, yes. With these two modules, the BOTT mentorship program self-study module video pack 1 and the BOTT price action bible, you have everything, you have really everything to understand the market and to make profit. If you are not understanding those kind of concepts and you are still believing in indicators, in signal provider, and in any kind of account management, then I can only say you will lose money. You will lose money, you will lose your earned money, your hard-earned money. And that is the reality. And if you are not willing to invest this small amount, because I know that you have lost already much more than this. I know that you have invested in big nonsense, big money like indicators for MT4, MT5 or whatever, yes, then you don't have to, then I cannot help you. That is reality. And so now we are getting into the topic, because I have already enough. So this topic will be today about how to predict the next candlestick after reversal candlestick price action patterns with candlestick psychology. And this is really the main concept. Let me show you what I'm going to talk. I have already prepared something for you, yes, because I got so many many comments in the YouTube channel that they don't want to see me drawing, yes, and so I have prepared this kind of stuff, and this is really important that you understand what this will be about. So let me see this, where I have prepared this. Yes, that is this one. Look at this. It looks really simple, yes, but I see from my BOTT mentorship program students, yes, and they are doing this mistake over and over again. They are trading the reversal price action patterns wrongly. and I will try to explain you what you should do. The first thing what is important to trade a reversal candlestick pattern, yes, price action pattern right, yes, is that you need a trend. Don't trade this kind of patterns, reversal patterns, and I have explained which kind of pattern is: engulfing candlesticks, evening star, morning star, and so on, exhaustion candle. Don't trade them if you don't have any kind of trend before. Yes, you need a trend. Yes, without a trend, you cannot do this kind of reversal patterns. You need a trend before. That means don't trade this kind of reversal pattern in a ranging market, in a consolidation area. You get trapped. You get trapped by the market, because then those kind of things happens, yes. Because if you have a good trend before, a pre-long downtrend, for example, you can do most probably the next trade after this engulfing candle in the direction of the new upcoming trend. But important is the distance between the closing price of this bullish candle and the opening price of this candle. Yes, that's what I call here support. If you have a big distance between those kind of areas, yes, if you have a big distance between here and here, then you have to wait before you do a call, because you see it can happen that you get two candles which are doing not only one candle to do a retracement. There can happen no candle retracement, one candle retracement, two candle retracement. There can be also three candle retracements. That would be in this case the three black rows. And after this, after you get a touch of this support level or any other kind of support level, EMA or whatever, yes, because this candle has to break through a key level. Yes, only when they break through a key level, this is a real reversal price action pattern. Yes, engulfing candle, evening star, morning star, or whatever. It has to break through a key level, and then till the price is not touching any kind of key level, yes, and rejecting from it, you do not do any kind of continuation trade of this new uptrend. Okay, that is what I want to tell you, because I see this over and over again from my students, which are beginning in the first week. That are those one who are beginners, and they are doing always the same mistake. First of all, they are not entering below the closing price of the previous candle. That means the closing price of that candle, you should enter into this trade below the closing price. Yes, if you are doing this, and please do not trade this kind of retracement. You have to wait that you get the pullback. That is what this is about. I have explained this over and over again in my other videos. Let me show you this. That I can show you this, you know, there are so many concepts you have to understand this kind of stuff. Let me see if I can find this easily. Yes, here this one. I'm talking about this. If you have a morning star, yes, here, something like this, and you get this kind of retracement here, yes, then you don't trade this kind of retracement. You have to trade the next candle. Yes, and that is what this is about. You see how everything what I'm teaching you is working together. Yes, that as everything what I'm teaching you is working together, and that is what I'm trying to explain you, that you need the overview of all those kind of concepts to get them in the right market condition in the exact same way into it. So you get this kind of pullback back to support level. That is what I call retracement back to key level. That can be one candle, that can be a doji, that can be no candle, that can be three candle. But important is, if you have a big distance between the closing price of this bullish candle and the opening price of this bearish candle, it can be also an evening star, then you have to expect a retracement, and this retracement will hold till this support level will be touched, or any other kind of support level close to it. Okay, that is what this is about. So now we are talking about the next scenario. The next scenario is this one, which I have seen also often from my SWOT mentorship program students, which are doing this kind of trades. And you see, you get here the education which I'm giving to my BOTT mentorship program students, and I'm giving this for you for free. That means that I have really the intention, I'm really passionate to help you to teach you how to fish, yes, how to do fishing instead of giving you any kind of live trading examples where you do never understand anything and why I took those kind of trades. Yes, also if I try to explain you everything, but you see there are so many concepts in between that you need the concepts much more in detail. So the next one, you get an uptrend. Then you get this kind of candle, yes, which is a big bearish one. And I'm doing here, this is candlestick mass, yes. This is based on the candlestick mass. That is a doji based on candlestick mass. This is a gravestone doji. These two candles are nothing else than a doji, yes. And because this candle can be also something like this, yes, something like this with a lower shadow. Let me show you this. Copy. That can be also something like this. It has not to be only like I have drawn. This is ideal. Yes, I have explained this so often. Yes, ideal. That is ideal. Yes, that is ideal, and that ideal means only that yes, that it is ideal. But the reality looks obviously different. Yes, but for example, you have something like this. This wick here is showing you buying pressure. Yes, this wick is showing you buying pressure and is confirming that this kind of level is a support level. Yes, and this is a support level. So let me draw this in. This is the support level. And so you see this kind of two candles here, yes, are when you are doing candlestick math, nothing else than, let me show you this. Something like a hammer, yes, but when you are doing this like this, it's a gravestone doji. I tell you only that it can be also looking different. It's confirming, this is confirming a support level and is showing you that you have a gravestone doji, and you can expect that the next candle will be a bullish one, yes, the trend continuation, because that would be only a retracement, and that is what this is about, yes, reversal and in comparison with the reverse retracement. This is a retracement because this candle is confirming a support level, and the candlestick mass is telling you, yes, it's also that it's called also blended candles, blended, yes, if you want to search it, but at the end you know everything about candlestick mass, because when you have studied my ebook, yes, and my videos, you know that candlestick mass, how it's calculated, the opening price of the candle, yes, and the closing price will be get together, and that movement is nothing else than a wick. And so at the end you have here a trend continuation, because that is a trace retracement. And you see, I'm showing you now exactly how you can trade the reversal and how you have to trade the continuation price action patterns, yes, based on a retracement, yes. And you see here gravestone doji, dragonfly doji, hammer, etc. Those kind of candles which I have explained over and over again in my yes, in my ebook, yes. And those kind of stuff which I'm explaining here are really good in detail explained, really in detail, everything, the criteria, the pattern psychology, the support and resistance, the entry points, important, the entry points, and obviously also how to trade, what kind of trade you should avoid, and when you do not have to trade. And all this together with the BOTT mentorship program, self-study module, video pack 1 are magic. They are those kind of instruments, those kind of tools what you need. You don't need more than those two things to own the market, to make profit. And if you don't understand those kind of things, then I can tell you only that it will be hard for you. Yes, then it will be hard, and most probably you will lose money. So that was it already. Next week I will do another video, and the next video in the deep explanation, you can be happy already. I will tell you some new magic stuff about the EMAs. Yes, because I see that a lot of you have understood what EMAs are about. Yes, and I will teach you how you can understand what the EMAs are telling you, and I will give a special hint for those one who are trading with the crossing of EMAs. There will be some kind of magic stuff which I will try to mind-blowing magic stuff which will brought your trading also to a next level. But Important is that to understand that there can happen always some kind of retracement after a reversal pattern, especially if you have a big distance between the closing price of the bullish candle and the opening price of the bearish candle, and obviously on the bearish engulfing candle the opposite. But this is not only the engulfing candles, that is also the evening star, morning star, and that can be happening also with the dark cloud cover, piercing line pattern, and so on and so on. Yes, and here you can also add some more like the power candle and such kind of candles which I have explained in the ebook, yes, over and over again. Okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like, yes. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe immediately. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. In this case, I would say stay safe and bye bye.